Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we explore the latest and greatest for troubleshooting and improving your home kitchen. Today we are going to talk about something that may seem simple, but can actually be quite difficult: install touchless kitchen faucet. It is a task that many people take on themselves, and while this is certainly possible, there are some common mistakes that can make the process much more frustrating than it needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay updated with all our latest home improvement tips. Let's start. A touchless kitchen faucet is a great addition to any modern kitchen. Not only does it add a sleek and modern look to your sink, but it also saves water and is more hygienic than traditional faucets. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of installing a touchless kitchen faucet in 2024. Before you begin the installation process, make sure you have all the necessary materials. Here is a list of the materials you will need. Touchless kitchen faucet kit. Adjustable wrench. Basin wrench. Plumber's tape, Teflon tape. Phillips screwdriver. Bucket or towels. Safety glasses. Flashlight optional. Towels or rags. Step 1. Turn off the water. Before you begin the installation process, make sure to turn off the water supply to your sink. To do this, locate the shutoff valve under your sink and turn it clockwise until it stops. Step 2. Remove the old faucet. Once the water is turned off, remove the old faucet from the sink. To do this, remove the handle and then unscrew the nut that holds the faucet cartridge in place. Once the nut is loose, pull the faucet cartridge out of the faucet handle. Step 3. Prepare the sink. Before you can install the new faucet, you need to prepare the sink. First, remove any debris or old plumbing from the sink. Then, clean the sink thoroughly with soap and water. Step 4. Install the faucet adapter. Place the adapter over the existing plumbing in your sink. Secure the adapter in place with screws. Tighten the screws until they are snug. Step 5. Install the faucet cartridge. Place the faucet cartridge into the faucet handle. Screw the nut that holds the cartridge in place back into the faucet handle. Tighten the nut until it is snug. Step 6. Install the faucet handle. Place the faucet handle onto the faucet cartridge. Secure the handle in place with screws. Tighten the screws until they are snug. Step 7. Install the Teflon tape. Wrap the Teflon tape around the threads of the faucet adapter. Wrap the tape around the threads of the faucet cartridge. Wrap the tape around the threads of the faucet handle. Step 8. Turn the water back on. Once the installation is complete, it's time to turn the water back on. To do this, locate the shutoff valve under your sink and turn it counterclockwise until it stops. Step 9. Test the faucet. After the water is turned back on, test the faucet to make sure it is working properly. Turn the handle and check for leaks. If there are no leaks, your faucet is installed successfully. Step 10. Clean up. Finally, clean up the installation area. Remove any debris or old plumbing from the sink. Clean the sink thoroughly with soap and water. Installing a touchless kitchen faucet can be a fun and rewarding DIY project. With the right tools and a little bit of patience, you can have a new and modern faucet in your kitchen in no time. Follow the steps outlined in this guide and you will be well on your way to having a beautiful and functional touchless kitchen faucet. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on an install touchless kitchen faucet. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.